Hi everyone, it's Chris, Mansfield's local trusted electrician once again, and you join me down here in the Park Valley estate of Nottingham to find out how myself and OVIA Lighting, who are part of Click Scolmore group, have come up with this beautiful architectural LED lighting design. So yeah, you're joining me down here in the Park Valley estate of Nottingham, and this is phase one of a couple of builds that we're doing down here. Very, very high-end builds, need a lot of care and attention, especially with the electrical work. And I did an LED tape video of some basic LED tape in a kitchen a few months ago and got a few comments saying I didn't actually show any of the installation process. So hopefully this time you're going to see all the intricate process that's involved in making this beautiful LED archway lighting possible. Now, OVIA Lighting from Click Scolmore Group have provided all the lighting in here. The reason being that I did a video a few months ago regarding some other fittings that they supplied on a separate job which weren't particularly great quality. I have since took the video down because Mark, Mike and Lee have all worked tirelessly to try and put this right with me. And they have done. I mean, no way sponsored, the customers paid for these lights. I haven't supplied anything for free, but I gave them a chance to design and supply these lights, and they really have pulled it out of the bag. So if you guys haven't checked them out yet, I suggest you do so. I'll leave a link in the description or somewhere up here so you can go and see what they're all about. So it is going to be a slightly different video today. It's been an extremely busy site over the last few days, and I've not managed to narrate the install at all. I'm going to put a bit of music over it and either do a voiceover or some subtitles. I've not quite decided what I've done yet, but you'll find out in a minute, no doubt. The LED lighting that we've installed, it is all remote controlled. You can adjust the brightness of it, you can turn the lights down, you can dim them, you can brighten them right up, and it gives a beautiful glow onto this intricate brickwork of this old stables that has been rebuilt to a modern standard. So I'm going to show you through the installation process of that right now. that's it. I hope that's given you a bit more of an insight into how we do these kind of jobs. It's made a massive difference to this brickwork, and once the job's finished, it will look absolutely superb. If you've not already, if you can like and subscribe, we are going to be doing some live streams with a few other local electricians and suppliers, which will be quite good fun to watch. If you're into that kind of thing, discussing regs, materials, tools, all that kind of jazz. We're not quite sure when we're doing it, but be sure to check us out when we do. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.